Dear students, to find out what type of a triangle that we are considering, whether it is a right angle triangle, whether it is an acute angle triangle, or whether it is an obtuse angled triangle, one concept you all should be remembering. So let us consider that this is the random triangle here. Let me say that this is A, this is B, and this is C. The measurement of the three sides of the triangle, I am presenting it here. So like this, in the question, if you are given the measurement of the three sides of the triangle, the first step that you all have to do is step number 1. You present the three sides in the ascending order. Okay, ASCEN, ascending order. The increasing order. You present the three sides A, B, C in the ascending order. A less than B less than C. That is the condition that you have to check. Okay. It can also be A less than or equal to B less than or equal to C. Equilateral also can come, but present it in the ascending order. Okay. If the three values are distinct, present it in the ascending order. That is the first step. Now, after presenting it in the first step in this manner, A square plus B square, if it is equal to C square, if you get it like this, understand the given triangle, it is a right triangle. A square plus B square, if it is greater than C square, understand it is an acute triangle. And A square plus B square, if it is less than C square, understand it will be an obtuse triangle, obtuse angle triangle. So this condition you are going to apply. So the first question that we have to consider, 2, 3, 4 if it is given, you want to check whether it is a right triangle, acute angle triangle, or obtuse angle triangle. That's what we are asked to check, or we have to check whether the triangle can be formed or cannot be formed. So when I am presenting it in the ascending order, 2 less than 3 less than 4, I can see that here 2 square plus 3 square, as such when I am observing, it is nothing but 4 plus 9. 3 square is 9, 2 square 4, 4 plus 9. I can see that it is equal to 13. I can say this is less than 4 square, right? I can say this is less than 16. 13 is less than 16. If that is the case, I very well know that it is a criteria for an obtuse triangle, right? So for this question, I can say the answer, it is obtuse angle triangle. Now, the next question, 2, 3, 5. I can see that here, sum of the two sides, 2 plus 3 when I am considering, I can say that this is equal to third side. Sum of any two sides, it should always be greater than the third side. That's what we have seen. We call it as the triangle inequality. But here it is equal to 5. What does that mean? It just means that the triangle cannot be formed. Okay? In the similar manner, 11, 15 and 27 we see. So, sum of this 11 and this 15, I can see that here that comes as 26. Sum of any two sides, it should be greater than the third side, okay? But here you can say this 26, the sum of the two sides, it is less than 27. What does this mean? It means that the triangle cannot be formed. Now, the next question, 5, 7 and 10 we have. I can see that 5, 7, 10 already it is in the ascending order. 5 square plus 7 square and 10 square, you know, it is 100. 5 square it is 25, 7 square it is 49, 25 plus 49 and 100 we are comparing. Definitely I can see that 49 plus 25, it is not going to yield 100. This is definitely less here, right? So we can see that here a square plus b square, it is less than c square. That is the condition what we can see here. So it is obvious that 5, 7, 10, it is going to form an obtuse angle triangle. Got it? Now the last one, 10, 13 and 15. I can see that the three sides, they are presented here in the ascending order. 10 square, 13 square, their total. I am comparing it with our 15 square here. 10 square it is 100, 13 square it is 169, 15 square it is 225. I can see that here 100 plus 169 is 269. It is greater than 225. I can say this is coming under the category a square plus b square. It is greater than c square. It is a confirmed acute angled triangle. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer I can say it is option B. So in this manner, when the three sides, the measurements are given, how to identify the triangle, it has been explained here with the help of these questions. Okay, I hope that these explanations are pretty clear to everyone. Any questions or doubts you have, kindly share it.